everyone, I'd love to show you this Katomi fog and light machine we just received. We originally purchased it for a child's birthday party to use the light feature. It does give a really nice projection, and I want to start by telling you a little bit about the machine and the functions on the back side. It has a few buttons in the back here. It has a fog machine button here. It has the ball lighting, which controls the front ball spinner here. It also has an LED lighting feature as well as the manual spraying button. It does go ahead and you can unplug it in the back of the machine here, just inserting it this way. And it comes with a remote control timer for the fog machine. If you want to use it from a distance, you can just go ahead and adapt the connector here. Just plugs right in. And then this will be lit when it's on. And it comes with a remote control. You can just slide down like this. And you can go ahead and lock or unlock and pull the antenna for range. It has a 50-foot distance on the remote to the battery, so you can give yourself quite a bit of range and go ahead and use it. Really fun for a Halloween display, to go ahead and charge up when you have traffic coming through and the fog machine goes off at the right time. The light projection is really strong and powerful. I also found the fill up for the fog solution in this really easy since it's on the top, not on the bottom or side you see on some machines, and they can be leaky. Having it on the top is a really great design. And it does have the metal cap at the bottom for when the solution goes in. Sometimes you'll see it just with the clear tube, and that's just not enough weight to keep the tube at the bottom and really use up all the fog in the machine. It is something that you want to be careful of plugging it around a flammable item, so I wouldn't want to put it next to a barbecue or a space heater or a water heater or something like that. Just being careful where you plug it in. Let me go ahead and show you what it looks like when the lights are out for a nighttime display.
So as you can see here, I have the back of the machine facing us so you can see the control panel. I have the power cord plugged into our wall here, and I'm gonna go ahead and just walk you through the features before we have the room fully darkened to show you what our options are. Up here in the left-hand corner, the red fog machine button has to be turned on if you're gonna be using solution here. And there's a minimum, maximum. It shows you how much to pour in, and it's that really easy canister right on top. Here you're gonna have the ball light, and that is gonna turn on and gonna change colors, and I'll get you a better video of that once we roll over. There's also the LED light, which adds a lot of brightness to the room. Say you wanna play this in a darker space, and you want a little more impact when they're played together. You have the option to have one on and not the other, or vice versa. With the fog machine, it's important to have this turned on for 2 to 3 minutes before it warms up, before it can emit fog. Here in the back is the manual sprayer that you could go ahead and just leave running. Say you wanted to have a constant feed of fog for a picture or a photo shoot, or just needed more of a stream. You didn't want to hold the button down on the remote every time.
We've just loved our Katomi fog and light machine. We've used it so many times over the summer, and it's just really added that extra touch to our parties we were looking for. The kids loved them. Overall, it was just a great quality product, down from the streamlined handle to the fog machine front. It's just been fantastic.